Hey, Nella.
Hey, Emma, how's it going?
Good. Do you have a minute to help me with something for a client?
For sure, what's up?
They are running into a sporadic issue within OnBase that they're having trouble tracking. Could you maybe help me out with showing them how to get around that?
For sure, sounds like setting up logging to a file in Diagnostics. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Web Application Management Console, or the WAMCON, and navigate over to the Diagnostics tab and select View Diagnostic Settings. Here we can see our already existing routes, and we're going to add one more to that list and rename it Log to File. And then we're going to fill out the rest of our information like we normally would, such as the included profiles. I want to include a couple there. And then at the bottom in the destination section, this is where we will specify that we want to log to a file and where that file will be placed. Underneath that, we have the file size limit, and this will stop capturing information once it reaches this specified size, unless we select this role when limit is reached. This will automatically create a new log file when this size is reached, and the retained files count is the maximum number of logs that it will roll over to and retain. Before we finish, we always want to make sure we click File and Save, but if we forget to do that and we just simply hit X, the diagnostic settings will catch us and make sure that we don't leave before we save our settings. So I want to click Yes, and that's how you will log diagnostics to a file.
Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our free training resources. And make sure that you reach out if you have any questions that you'd like featured in an upcoming episode of The Question Corner.